Ready to effortlessly showcase your glowing Google reviews directly on your WordPress website and skyrocket your credibility? First, head to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section. Then click on Add New to find the perfect Google Reviews plugin. In the search bar, type Google Reviews. Several plugins will appear. We recommend using a popular and highly rated option, such as Widget for Google Reviews or Trust Index. Once you've found your plugin of choice, click Install Now and then Activate to get it up and running. Now, look for the plugin settings page. This is usually found in the left-hand menu or under the Settings tab. This is where you'll connect your Google Business profile. You'll typically need to provide your Google Place ID, which you can easily find by searching for your business on Google Maps and copying the ID from the URL, or by using the plugin's built-in search feature. The best part is customizing how your reviews appear. Most plugins offer tons of options. Choose your layout, filter reviews based on rating, select themes, and even set up automatic syncing to keep your website fresh with the latest feedback. Finally, to display the reviews, simply copy the shortcode provided by the plugin or use the dedicated widget and paste it onto any page or post where you want them to appear. And that's it. Now your website will automatically display your latest Google reviews, boosting customer confidence and helping you convert visitors into loyal customers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.